Congratulations on your first steps to becoming proactive in the fight against vehicle corrosion and environmental damage. Hi, my name is Joe DuPont. I am founder and president of NHOU Protective Coatings. We have teamed up with our chemists, corrosion engineers, and hundreds of dealers across the country to help make undercarriage rust, your undercarriage rust, a thing of the past. Close your eyes and picture this. You're in your brand new vehicle. You're pulling out of the car dealership. You couldn't be more excited about the drive home. Tucked away in your glove compartment is your factory manual with recommended care instructions for your new vehicle. Safety, drivetrain, just about everything. However, there's one thing the factory or the dealership cannot help you with, and that's rust. With today's road salts and brine de-icing solutions, by the time your car payments are done, well, so is your vehicle. Today's engines will last 250 to 300,000 miles with regular maintenance. However, the real problem is usually unseen. Can your vehicle's undercarriage and body panels sustain structural integrity and last as long as the engine will? With the introduction of road brine solutions in place of traditional rock salt, our towns are definitely saving money and making our roads safer. But are they doing this at considerable cost to your vehicle's undercarriage? Road brine is made by liquefying sodium, adding magnesium chloride, sodium chloride, calcium chloride, and other additives such as beet juice, even molasses and corn syrup, which allows it to work at lower temperatures and stick to the road. Unfortunately, when you drive over this substance, it does not discriminate. This toxic solution near guarantees you future structural problems. It's essentially a sticky salt mix coating your vehicle's underbody with no real possibility of washing it off properly. And it will absolutely create more rust than traditional road salt. Did you know many car washes recycle their water? Are they removing all these contaminants or just driving them deeper into the body cavities? Take a guess. In a report released in February of 2017, AAA estimated that U.S. drivers pay $3 billion annually for repairs to corrosion caused by de-icing methods. That's billion with a B. And here's where that stops. NHOU is dedicated to empowering you to be proactive in the fight against corrosion and environmental damage by giving you products and services that will add years of life to your vehicle. Here's a photo of my last truck, which was really the catalyst for me getting into this business. Only 7 years after purchasing my new F-250, this is what I had left. Had I used the products that I have available to you today, that truck would likely still be around. Now look at its replacement. Same driving habits, same age. Only difference, we've been diligent with our NHOU oil-based rust-proofing maintenance plan. Do you see the difference? Big difference, big benefits. Try our NHOU Salt Brine Eliminator. Just one application can reduce up to 99% of the residue from road brine. NH Oil Undercoating is designed to penetrate through rust down to the good metal, displacing moisture and removing oxygen. This creates a barrier against the elements. Our oil is also designed to creep and migrate into all the nooks and crannies, the spot welds, the seams, the folds, all the areas where rust is prone to begin. Our wax oil is a one-time standalone application designed for brand new vehicles. In conjunction with the wax, we use oil in all the body cavities, ensuring the best of both products. NHOU's wax and oil comes with a nationwide lifetime transferable warranty. Do you like the shine of your brand new vehicle? And would you like to protect that clear coat? NHOU's ceramic coating will protect your vehicle's paint and clear coat for years, giving you a chemical bond unlike wax that is just waiting to be washed off. NHOU's Rustoration, our most aggressive approach towards being proactive with oil-based rust proofing. So how do we do it? It's simple. With over 40 years of combined experience in the automobile chemical coatings industry, it's easy for us to offer you a nationwide transferable lifetime new car warranty. We've got you covered. All of our products are not only manufactured and tested to strict standards, but we personally apply and test our entire product line right here in New Hampshire. Over 3,000 vehicles pass through our shop each year. This gives us a unique opportunity to constantly research and develop and improve formulas and seek out technological advances to benefit all car owners who are serious about making their vehicle last longer. So have you heard enough? You want to become proactive now? Well, remember this. An above-average product is worthless if you receive a below-average application. Check out our website for factory-trained, authorized applicators ready to service your vehicle today. Are you interested in the science behind oil-based rust proofing? What stops rust? How does oil work differently than any other product? What's in our product? Well, we go into that a lot deeper on our YouTube channel. Check it out.